jika kamu mengundangku?
I will come to your party.
To your party.
Mama besok ke
If
dokter
you-
gigi.
Ayo.
To your birthday
If you
party
invite
if you
with me.
invite me.
Ke dokter
Invite
gigi.
with me.
Okay, I will come to your birthday party if you invite me.
Invite me.
Saya akan datang ke pesta ulang tahunmu jika kamu mengundangku. Oke. Aku tidak akan masuk kelas jika kamu tidak memberiku jawabanmu. I will not. Saya tidak akan masuk kelas jika kamu tidak memberikan jawabanmu kepadaku.
I will not entry
Come
the
to
classroom.
I will not come to the class.
To the class
If
you
Okay, if
not
you
sharing your
don't give
answer
Don't
with
give your
me.
answer.
Okay, if you don't give me your answer.
if you don't give me
Oke.
answer.
Ya, itu pertama. Kedua, bisa juga digunakan untuk menyatakan sebuah kebiasaan. Jika kamu tidak punya pekerjaan, ya mengapa kamu tidak berusaha untuk mencarinya?
If you
If you not
don't have
If you don't
If
Job.
you don't have job,
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 why you
mengapa kamu tidak mencoba mencarinya?
why you don't looking for
Why
some-
don't you try to look for it?
looking for it?
Oke, ulangin. Jika kamu tidak punya pekerjaan, mengapa kamu tidak mencoba mencarinya?
If you don't
you
have
You
job,
don't have job. Why don't you look
don't
for?
you look
Why
for
don't you try to look for it?
it?
Oke. Nah, jika kamu lapar, mengapa kamu nggak nyari makan?
If you
you're hungry,
hungry,
Why?
why you
looking for the
why
food.
you don't
Okay, if you are hungry, why don't you try to look for food? Oke, mengapa kamu tidak mencoba mencari makan? Oke, coba kalau ketiga, ya teman-teman di sini menyatakan sebuah perintah. Contoh seperti ini, gitu ya. Oke, jika kamu tidak bisa berbicara bahasa Inggris, silakan datang ke kampung Inggris. Ayo,
if you cannot speak English, please come to Kampung Inggris.
Okay. If you cannot speak English, please come to Kampung Inggris. Oke, ya, kurang lebih seperti itu tipe 1. Sekarang kita akan masuk ke tipe 2, yaitu apa Mr. Jess? Tipe 2 ini digunakan untuk menyatakan suatu hayalan. Yang dimaksud hayalan itu gimana Mr. Jess? Ya sesuatu yang memang bertentangan dengan kondisi maupun fakta di masa sekarang. Atau berhayal lah. Contoh seperti ini, kita mau ngomong, andai malam ini Mr. Jess libur, aku pasti seneng banget. Nah itu kan kalian berandai-andai, berhayal, tapi konteksnya atau faktanya tuh bertentangan dengan situasi sekarang. Kenapa bisa disebut sebagai bertentangan? Ya karena sekarang tuh Mr. Jess lagi ngajar. Tiba-tiba kalian berandai-andai seperti ini. Wah, andai aja malam ini tuh Mr. Jess gak ngajar. Wah, aku pasti seneng banget nih, gitu ya. Kamu ngomong kayak gitu di saat aku lagi ngajar seperti ini. Itu kan kontradiktif gitu ya. Bertentangan dengan fakta yang ada di masa sekarang. Nah, kalau seperti itu gimana Mr. Jess? Ya, kalau kalian pakainya nanti adalah simple past. Nah, kemudian di sini adalah would pakai verb 1. Jadi nggak pakai lagi will, pakainya adalah would. If simple past, would verb 1. Contoh tadi gitu ya. Jika Mr. Jess tidak datang, saya tentu bahagia. Jadi
If Mr. Jess
Mr. Jess didn't come, I
be
I
happy.
would
would
be
be
happy.
so happy.
So happy.
Ya, andai Mr. Jess nggak datang, aku tentu bakalan seneng banget, gitu ya. Tuh, contoh lagi misalkan malam ini nggak hujan, ya tiba-tiba kalian berandai-andai aja ya. Andai malam ini tuh hujan, gitu ya. Ya aku akan tidur lebih awal, kayak gitu ya. Nah, ternyata sekarang nggak hujan. If
If it were not raining,
if it rained, gitu ya. I would sleep
earlier.
early. Andai malam ini hujan gitu ya, aku tentu tidur lebih awal. Nyatanya sekarang itu nggak hujan dan posisinya kamu juga nggak tidur. Itu ya teman-teman intinya ya. Oke. Kemudian ada beberapa eh not gitu ya. Kalau kalimatnya nanti kalimat nominal, teman-teman yang dipakai itu nanti adalah were. Semua subjek pakainya adalah were. Misalkan kita mau ngomong, jika aku adalah kamu, if I were you. Loh, kok jadi were, Mr. Jess? Kan subjeknya I, bukannya I itu harusnya adalah was. Ya, yang benar adalah was. Cuman di konteks ini, pakainya dia adalah were. If I were you, I would not forgive her. Andai aja aku jadi kamu, aku tentu nggak bakal memaafkannya. Ya, ini seperti ini. Tipe 2. Hayalan. Coba praktek dulu dengan fungsi yang tadi sudah saya sebutin. Siapa yang mau coba membuat sebuah hayalan dari tipe kedua? Silakan.
Saya Mr. Jess.
Coba gimana contohnya?
If I were you, I will take the job.
If I,
If I were you, I would take the job opportunity.
Oke. Jika aku jadi kamu, aku tentu udah ambil pekerjaan ini. Oke, boleh. Yang lain?
Saya mau coba, Mister.
Coba.
If he spoke louder, the students would listen to the teacher.
Ulangin. If
If he spoke louder,
she bought a flower.
louder,
Oh, if she spoke louder. Ayo.
the student would listen to the teacher.
Oke, boleh. Ya, gurunya ngomongnya kepelan. Ayo, yang lain.
Saya, Mister.
Coba.
If I sleep now, I would not study with Mr. Jess.
If I slept.
If
Bukan
I
pakai sleep ya. If I slept, I would not study with Mr. Jess. Karena simple past. Oke. Yang lain coba.
Kalau kayak gini, Mister,
Coba.
if time could be turned back, I will want to go back to high school.
Oke, boleh. Itu nanti sebenarnya yang lebih tepatnya adalah di tipe 3 ya. Tipe 3 tuh nanti menyatakan sebuah penyesalan. Ya.
Oke, Mister.
Oke. Yuk, siapa lagi?
Saya Mister.
Coba.
If I were a bird, I would fly in the sky.
Jika aku adalah burung, saya akan terbang ke langit. Boleh.
Ya.
Coba lagi. Ayo, yang lain.
If the
Boleh
weather,
pakai tadi bahasa-bahasa seperti puitis gitu ya. Jika aku adalah rembulan, aku akan menerangi malam-malammu. Boleh. Jika aku adalah raja, maka kamu adalah ratunya. Boleh. Itu bisa digunakan buat apa namanya bahasa-bahasa yang imajinatif lah seperti itu. Silakan. Yang belum pada bikin contoh, ayo.
If I were you, I would quit that job.
Boleh. Yang lain.
if the weather were nice, we would go on a picnic.
Oke, ya berarti sekarang cuacanya lagi nggak bagus gitu ya. Oke. Yang lain? Ayo, yang belum bikin contoh.
Saya, Mister.
Coba.
Istana itu apa, Mister, bahasa Inggrisnya?
Castle.
Castle. Castle.
Kastil ya. If I a princess, I would live in castle.
Oke. If I were a princess, I would live in castle. Oke. Yuk, apa lagi? Yang belum pernah bikin contoh ini nih, saya tunggu ini nih. Kalau malu-malu boleh tulis di kolom komentar. Nggak apa-apa. Ayo, siapa lagi? Nggak ada nih. Oke. Ya, yang penting ini teman-teman ya. Kalau mau pakai should juga boleh. Gitu ya. Ada verbal, ada nominal juga boleh. Pokoknya kalau nominal, semua subjeknya itu nanti pakainya adalah were. I were, she were, he were, they were, semuanya were. Gitu ya. Dan kalau mau pakai verbal, silakan pakai simple past. Itu boleh kalimat aktif, boleh kalimat pasif, boleh negatif, boleh nanti divariasikan sesuai dengan kemauan teman-teman semua. Ya, ada lagi yang mungkin mau bikin contoh.
Mau coba, Mister?
Coba Dita. Yuk, semuanya harus coba biar bisa.
If I were you, I would marry with him.
If I were you, I would
Ya,
marry him.
ya.
Anda aja aku jadi kamu, aku tentu menikahinya. Boleh. Yang lain, siapa lagi yang mau bikin contoh? Masih ada? Oke, bisa ya? Bisa nggak teman-teman?
Bisa.
Bisa.
Ya, saya anggap bisa. Sekarang kita berarti latihan dulu ya. Coba latihan menjawab soal. Ya, 1 sampai 5 dulu teman-teman ya. Oke, di situ halaman berapa nih? Halaman 73 ya. Oke, teman-teman rubah apa namanya kata-kata yang ada dalam kurung sesuai dengan rule yang tepat. Silakan. Yuk, 5 minutes from now for the A part. Untuk yang part A saya kasih waktu 5 menit dari sekarang. Yang langsung jawab juga boleh tulis di kolom komentar. If I were a football player, I would play in the World Cup. Okay, Revan, that's good. Ayo, ya, 5 minutes from now. Silakan. If my was breath, if my breath were stops in sleep, so I be it don't grieve. Itu gimana Dimas? Are you done? Selesai?
Done, Mister. Done, Mister.
Oke, sudah. Ya, kita coba ya. Jawab nomor 1 dulu. Jika ayahku adalah seorang presiden, aku bebas. Apa namanya? Pergi keliling dunia. Ayo, if
If
my
If my
father
father
were a
president,
president,
I will
I
president.
be
Around
free
the
to
world.
travel all around the world.
I will be free to
okay,
travel.
if my father were a president, I would be free to travel all around the world. Ya, jika ayahku adalah seorang presiden, aku tentu akan bebas pergi keliling dunia. Okay, now it is number 2. Jika ini gimana coba? If my
If my
If my
first
first
girl
girl
didn't
didn't
come
come
to the cafe,
my first
my
girl
second girl
not come
wouldn't
to the cafe, my second girl would not break up me. Didn't
came
come.
or come.
Wouldn't not.
Came.
if my first girl didn't come ya, bukan came ya, karena sudah ada didn't.
Yes.
My second girl would not break me up. Ya, saya
Sir,
kenapa we're
if my
not?
first girl were not to the cafe.
Kata kerja di
Oh,
Karena ada come, ada kata kerjanya. Ya, kalau nggak ada kata kerjanya boleh. If my first girl nggak ada di cafe boleh. Nomor 3 coba. Saya akan
I would get more.
I would get more people respect if
I were well-known movie actor.
I would
Get and were.
get
okay, if I were a well-known movie actor. I would get more people respect if I were a well-known movie actor.
Gimana?
I would get.
I would
get and were.
Yeah, if my parents.
If my
parents
parents
did
didn't
not
have a good position in
in
government,
government,
I would
I
not
would
work
not
as
work
a
as
civil
a
servant.
civil servant.
Didn't have
If my parents did not have a good positions in government, I would not work as a civil servant. Number 5.
If she were a
beautiful
queen,
all
all
handsome
and wise kings would
Admire
her.
Okay, if she were a beautiful queen, all handsome and wise king would admire her. Oke, itu tipe 2 ya, teman-teman bisa merubah sesuai dengan konteks yang tepat. Lalu bagaimana kalau coba latihan menerjemahkan? Coba ya. Oke, ya ini 5 menit lagi deh. Saya kasih waktu 5 menit. Yang udah selesai boleh sambil tulis di kolom komentar sambil Mr. Jess lihat jawaban kalian. If my father were, bukan was, Dimas. Oke. Ya, 5 minutes from now. Yeah, that's right. If I were you, I would not forgive him. Gak usah pakai will ya. Oke. Are you done? Sudah selesai belum? Oke, ya coba ya. Kita mulai dari soal nomor 1. Jika aku adalah kamu, aku tidak akan memaafkannya.
If
What will be the correct answer?
if
I were you, I would not forgive her.
I would not forgive her.
Okay, if I were you, I would not forgive her. Oke, jika aku adalah kamu, aku tentu tidak akan memaafkannya. Aku akan pergi berbelanja jika kamu tidak telat.
I would
would
go
go to
shopping
Shopping
if
if
you
you
didn't
didn't
come late.
Okay, I would go shopping if you didn't come late.
I would
Oke, coba. Aku tidak akan melakukan ini padamu jika kamu tidak melakukannya padaku.
I
would
would not
do
do
it
it
not
to you if you didn't do it to me.
Okay, yeah. I would not do this to you if you didn't do this to me. Oke. Andai saja aku seganteng Kim Jong Un, aku akan mempunyai banyak pacar.
if
If
I
I
were
If
were
I were as handsome as Kim Jong-un, I
would
will
have
have
many
many girlfriends.
Okay, if I were as handsome as Kim Jong Un, if I were as handsome as Kim Jong Un, I would have many girlfriends. Jika kamu adalah aku, kamu tidak akan kuat.
If
If you were me,
I
If
I
you
would
were
not
me,
be
you will
strong.
not be strong.
would be strong.
If you were me, you would not be strong. Gitu ya. Jika kamu jadi aku atau jika kamu adalah aku, kamu tentu nggak bakalan kuat. Oke, ya, ya seperti itu tipe apa namanya 2, teman-teman gimana? Bisa nggak? Bisa ya.
Pakai word.
Kita lanjut ke tipe 3, Mr. Jess. Tipe 3 tuh gimana? Tipe 3 ini digunakan untuk menyatakan sebuah penyesalan. Oke, penyesalan gimana, Mr. Jess? Contohnya gini deh. Andai aja dulu aku diterima di kampus A, aku tentu udah jadi orang yang terkenal. Mungkin seperti itu. Andai aja dulu aku udah kursus bahasa Inggris, aku tentu udah bisa berbicara bahasa Inggris dengan bagus. Gitu ya. Andai dulu gitu ya, apa namanya, aku sudah tahu tentang ini semua, aku tentu udah menjadi orang yang sukses, mungkin seperti itu. Pokoknya ini menyatakan sebuah penyesalan. Caranya gimana, Mr. Jess? Caranya ini teman-teman pakai ini nih, had, verb 3, nah kemudian would have, juga verb 3. Gitu ya. Oke, jadi had, verb 3, dan would have verb 3. Contohnya gimana Mr. Jazz gitu ya. Jika aku telah lulus dari UI misalkan gitu ya. Ya, aku tentu udah jadi seorang politisi. Nah, if you had graduated from UI, you would have been a politician. Itu ya. Oke, kamu tentu udah menjadi seorang politisi. Ini jadi boleh ya teman-teman nanti had verb 3, kemudian would have pakai verb 3. Oke, contoh. If she had accepted my love, you would have become my wife. Seperti itu. If you had followed my way, you would have been successful businessman. Ya, ini pada intinya teman-teman menyatakan sebuah penyesalan. Sekarang saya tanya deh, kalian punya semacam penyesalan nggak? Kalau punya, coba teman-teman bisa
Saya
dipraktekkan
dulu
sekarang.
belajar bahasa Inggris dengan baik.
Ya,
Saya
andai aja dulu aku telah belajar bahasa Inggris dengan baik.
baik,
Aku tentunya sudah
pintar.
bekerja di luar negeri misalkan, gitu ya. Oke, jadi gimana? If I
If
If I
had
study
studied English
studied English
this
well,
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 I would
would
have
have worked in
worked abroad. Gitu ya, boleh gitu ya. Andai saya telah belajar bahasa Inggris dengan baik, aku tentu udah bekerja di luar negeri. Oke. Gitu ya. Seperti itu. Yang lain, coba siapa yang bikin contoh? Pokoknya ini menyatakan sebuah penyesalan, teman-teman ya. Pakai had, verb 3, would
Mister,
have, verb 3. Ya.
Mister, maaf, untuk yang di buku halaman 69 itu tulisannya would plus have plus verb 1. Berarti itu salah ya, Mister?
Yang halaman berapa?
69.
Oh, typo. Nih,
Oh.
benerin ya. 3.
Oh ya, oke.
Ya, 3 ya, dicoret tuh. Itu typo itu. Ayo, coba yang punya penyesalan silakan. Praktekkan di sini.
If I hadn't been late, I would have count the rain.
Oke, I would
Betul.
have.
I would hadn't been late.
Ulang. Mau ngomongnya gimana coba? Jika
If I had not been late,
I
jika
would.
saya tidak terlambat, saya akan
Ya.
naik kereta.
Oke, ayo. I would have.
I would have count the train.
Oke, ya. Boleh. Jika aku tidak datang terlambat, aku tentu udah di kereta. Yang lain, ayo.
If I had studied harder, I would have passed the exam.
Oke, I would have passed the exam. Oke. Ayo, yang lain coba.
Saya,
Ayo,
Mister.
yang belum bikin contoh, silakan.
If I
Bisa
had worked,
saya.
Ulang.
if I had
Jika
worked
saya
in
tidak memasak
Japan,
tadi,
Ntar, ini siapa dulu yang bikin contoh nih? Ayo, nyalakan mic-nya satu dulu.
okay, Mister. If I had
Ayo.
work in Japan 10 years ago, I will have had a lot of saving.
Oke. Anda aja, aku dulu udah kerja di Jepang. Aku tentu udah punya banyak tabungan. Oke, boleh. Yang lain. Ayo. Yang belum bikin contoh silakan teman-teman. Coba menyatakan sebuah penyesalan. Boleh tulis di kolom komentar coba. Oh ini tulis kolom komentar kayaknya. If I had bought Bitcoin in 2015, I would have been a rich guy. Boleh, Anthony. Ya, oke. If I had trained football well, I would have been a national player. Ya, pakainya adalah would have been. Oke. Ya. If I had known you were in hospital, I would have visited you. Boleh. If I had slept early last night, I would not have been sleepy. Oke. Yuk, yang lain? Yang mau bikin contoh coba.
Saya Mister.
Oke, coba yuk.
If I had confessed to my crush, he would have become my boyfriend.
Ulangin.
If I had confessed to my crush, he would have become my boyfriend.
Oke, ya. Boleh. Yang lain?
Saya Mister.
Yuk, coba.
If I had followed football extracurricular,
Mhm.
I would have become international football player.
Oke, I would have become an international football player. Oke, boleh. Yang lain?
Saya, Mister.
Yuk, coba.
If I had worked diligently, I would have much money.
Boleh. Ayo, yang lain?
Itu work-nya pakai work. I had work
Ketiga.
apa? I had.
If I had worked. Ketiga. If I had not wasted my money, I would have a new car. Oleh Vira. Oke. Yang lain silakan.
Mister, saya coba.
Coba.
If she had talked to me, he wouldn't have lived with me.
Oke. Bisa. Ayo.
Mister, saya mau bikin contoh boleh?
Coba.
If I had diligent study, I have studied in Harvard University.
Oke, I would have studied in Harvard University. Boleh.
Thank you.
Ayo, yang lain? Yuk, siapa yang belum bikin contoh? Bisa nggak? Bisa ya? Ya, harusnya bisa. Coba kerjakan dulu deh 1 sampai 5 di halaman 75 ya. Ya, 5 minutes from now, from number 1 till number 5. Coba teman-teman kerjakan 1 sampai 5 Ya, di situ ada merubah kata kerjanya doang. Ya, 5 minutes from now. Are you done? Selesai?
Yes.
Oke, coba ya. Kita jawab dari soal nomor 1. Jika kita sudah tahu kedatanganmu, kita tentu sudah di bandara. Itu gimana jawabannya?
If we had
We
known
had
of
Now,
your
known
arrival,
of
Had
your
we
arrival,
would
we
have
would
been
have
at the
been
airport.
at the airport.
Okay, if we had known of your arrival, we would have been at the airport. Nomor 2.
I would
I
have
would have
been
I
been
would
civil
have
a
servant
civil
a
if I
civil
had
servant
servant
if
if
I
graduated
I
had
had
from
graduated
graduated
government
from
from
school.
government
government
school.
school.
Yeah, I would have been a civil servant if I had graduated from government school. Number 3.
If
If
he
I
had
had
texted
If
he
her,
would
text
never
her,
she
have
wouldn't have
called
he
called
would not
him.
call him.
Have not call him.
Okay, if he texted her, she would not call him. Number 4.
My
My
lecturer,
my
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 lecturer
lecturer
lecturer will not
wouldn't have
have
been
would
mad
not
at
have been mad
us
us
at
if we
us
if we
had
had
if
submitted
we
submitted
had
our
our
submitted
task.
our task.
Okay, my lecturer would not have been mad at us if we had submitted our tasks. Number 5.
I would
I
have
would
I
have
would
forgotten
have
rather if
scheduled
you had
if
not
picnic
you
if
had not
invited
you
have not
invited
not
invited
me to
me
invited
to
stay
me
up
to
stay
all
stay
night.
up
up
all
all
night.
night.
Okay, I would have got sick if you had not invited me to stay up all night. Ya, kurang lebih seperti itu tipe 3. Teman-teman nanti tinggal lanjutkan latihannya sama nanti ada beberapa latihan soal di sini. Ya, seperti itu. Ada pertanyaan teman-teman terkait conditional sentence dari tipe 1, 2, 3? Silakan kalau ada yang mau tanya.
Pemakaian tanya, Mister.
Ya.
Tadi pemakaian were dan kapan memakai were dan kapan memakai did tuh. Contoh soal yang sebelumnya tadi.
Oke, were itu digunakan buat nominal. Kalau nggak ada kata kerjanya, kamu pakai were. Kalau ada kata kerjanya, ya kamu pakainya nanti adalah did. Oke, agenda simpelnya seperti itu ya. Kalau nggak ada kata kerja, pakainya were. Kalau ada kata kerjanya, berarti pakainya did.
Did. Oke, terima kasih, Mister.
You're welcome. Yang lain ada yang mau tanya, silakan.
Mister, mau tanya
Ya.
untuk penggunaan have been dan have saja itu apa bedanya ya, Mister? Untuk yang
Oke, have
ketiga
been
ini.
itu digunakan untuk gitu ya. Nanti di perfect nominal. Have been, has been itu yang nggak ada kata kerjanya. Kalau have itu langsung diikuti bertiga. Contoh, aku udah makan. I have eaten. Ya, aku udah di sini. I have been here. Nah, karena here itu bukan kata kerja, maka butuh bantuan been. Gitu ya. Oke. Ya, aku baru saja dari Bali. I have been from Bali. Karena nggak ada kata kerjanya, teman-teman pakai have been. Kalau kalau memang ada kata kerjanya, nggak usah pakai been. I have visited Bali misalkan. Aku telah berkunjung ke Bali. Gitu ya. Jadi have pakai verb 3. Gitu ya. Kalau memang nggak ada kata kerjanya, pakai been. Nah, baru di situ ketemu dengan ana. Adjective, noun sama adverb. Dibuka di bagian verbal sama nominal. Itu ada di present perfect tense bagian verbal sama nominal.
Thank you, Mister.
Yang lain silakan. Gak ada? Oke. Ya, kalau nggak ada berarti kita ketemu lagi besok ya. Besok kita lanjutkan, tapi sebelum lanjut ada beberapa review dulu terkait tentang conditional sentence. Okay, if you have no more questions, thank you for coming this evening, everyone. We are going to see you again tomorrow at the same time. Bye. See ya, Tata.
Bye, Mr. Thank you. Good night.
You're welcome.